In Ohio, the sale of food for consumption off premises is not subject to taxation. This means that when you shop for your groceries or order food at a restaurant to go, you won't be charged sales tax. But not all items you eat and drink are considered food for the purposes of the sales tax exemption. You may notice that you are still charged sales tax on some grocery or restaurant purchases. Why is that? The goal of this video is to walk you through what is considered food, which beverages are considered food, and what is considered premises as it relates to the sales tax exemption. Let's start by defining food as it appears in the Ohio Revised Code section 5739.01. Food is defined as a substance that can be liquid, concentrated, solid, frozen, dried, or dehydrated. Food is sold for ingestion or chewing by humans for its taste or nutritional value. Food does not include alcoholic beverages, dietary supplements, soft drinks, or tobacco. Since these items are not legally considered food, business owners should always charge sales tax on them regardless of where they are consumed. Now that we've looked at what is and isn't considered food, let's look at which beverages are considered food under the Ohio Revised Code. We already know that alcohol and soft drinks are not considered food. But what do we mean by soft drinks? According to the ORC, soft drinks are non-alcoholic beverages that contain natural or artificial sweeteners and do not contain milk, milk products, soy, rice, or similar milk substitutes. Soft drinks also exclude beverages that contain greater than 50% vegetable or fruit juice by volume. Let's look at some example beverages that fall under the definition of soft drink. Soda pop is a good example. Business owners should charge tax regardless if it is purchased in a bottle or through a fountain. Sweetened energy and sports drinks also meet the definition of a soft drink and should be taxed. This fruit juice has less than 50% real fruit juice, so it is considered a soft drink and should be taxed. Water that is sweetened with natural or artificial flavors also falls under the definition of soft drink and should be taxed. Now, let's look at some examples of beverages that are not considered soft drinks under the ORC definition. Plain water or water with natural flavors are not soft drinks and should not be taxed. This fruit juice contains 100% real fruit juice, so it is not a soft drink and should not be taxed. Any beverages containing milk or milk substitute, regardless of sweeteners, are not soft drinks. So even chocolate milk is not taxable. Additionally, any drink that contains milk or milk substitute is not a soft drink, so this cold brew coffee with milk is tax-free. For more information about which beverages are taxable, visit tax.ohio.gov and search food service industry. Finally, we'll explore the question about what is considered premises as it relates to sales tax on food. The law defines premises as any real property or portion thereof upon which any person engages in selling tangible personal property at retail or making retail sales, and also includes any real property or portion thereof designated for or devoted to use in conjunction with the business. The definition of premise is important and explains why you are asked for here or to go when ordering food from a restaurant or any other vendor who sells food with the option to eat in. If the answer is to go, there should be no tax on any food item. If the answer is for here, the purchase should include tax on all items. These definitions are important to keep in mind as an Ohio business owner. They will help you set up your point of sale systems and determine when you should be charging sales tax. One final note to remember. Federal law prohibits states from imposing sales tax on items purchased with food stamps. This includes items, such as soft drinks, which are normally subject to Ohio sales tax. Further information on food and food taxability can be accessed through information releases found on the Ohio Department of Taxation's website, tax.ohio.gov. You can also call our business tax helpline at 888-840-54039. We're happy to help.